Enterprise D build, stage 44 assembly. Off we go. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here, another Star Trek Next Generation build, the Enterprise D from HeroCollector Eaglemoss, or whichever way around it goes. This time we're up to parts section 44 of magazine 12. So parts in here, I've got a metal bit of the hull, saucer section, two bits look like they go on the bottom of the neck, with Enterprise wrote on them, cool. Okay, are these meant to go on here? I don't know. But there's only one set of LEDs, which is good. So it's actually looks like a quick part this anyway. So let's get on to 44. No, not 46 yet, not even 45. So 44. So there's only 2 pages on this one, so a quick build. So start off with. We can do this one live, I think. Yeah, can't we? Yep. Yeah. All my parts on here. Right, there we go, better. All of these are an absolute pain in the bum to do. Like black, I'm sure I am following exactly what they want. There you go. They're not easy to do these, but with the last part, the last part would be an absolute nightmare build. We're putting the part on without any backing plates at all. I'm hoping that those 2 silver parts are going to go straight into this and hold everything in place. Oh, yeah, that's better. More clears. Come on, get in there. Lifeboats to fit as well. No. Yes? No. Yes. Oh, you can't see that over there, can you? Oh well. Just me picking out the pot. Oh, it's... There. 2 more blacks. See, this is the fiddly thing about these. These go everywhere. Come on. Come on. In you go. Yep, that's the one more window. 2 lifeboats. And these face downwards. Yep, that's gone wrong. Downwards, there we go. Nope. You don't fit the little things. Right, so I want DM screws, which are over here. I do want these 2 parts here then. So the LEDs will fit in. I think I'll put these on first. That one will go on there on the front, but I'm not going to tie them down. That one goes in that way. So DMs are kind of got a little bit of a washer on them. I can get away with a little bit in that bottom one. Come on, there you go. They're so fiddly. These screwdrivers are absolutely terrible. A little bit to nip it in, hold it in place, make sure my windows and my lifeboats are the right way round. DM. There we go. A bit more on there. Throw another 3 on this one. Took the LED in. If you can hear in the background, there's a washer going off. Do apologise, I can't actually stop that. So hopefully it's not. I know it's going to come up on camera, it really is. But it's just, unfortunately, one of those things about having a studio. Oh, hello. Right, so they want a yellow one in there, green one, red one up there. So that should lift a little bit and in, without far in, nip in place. It's not going to be held now. Oh no, that's just going round. That's not on. Right, come on, in you go. Further this time, I think. Nope. There we go. I've got a funny feeling something's come off there. I'm not quite certain. It's a little awkward. Yeah, that's moved as well. I think I've lost something there. Alright, let's put that one in first. Then come down. Have I? No, I haven't lost that one, that's good. Why do they make things so ridiculously awkward? This is... There's more frustration on this piece than it's getting worse, this bloody kit build. Right, we're in. I'm just going to tighten these up a little bit, because you can see them over my hands. Make sure everything is on and done. There. Ta-da! Yay! And that's the right way around too. Okay, so I'll test these. Battery pack. In there. Around. Both light up. It's good. See, they don't actually mention, oh, if it's got a problem, then we'll send you new LEDs out. I just don't know. They might not. Should do, I suppose. So, yeah. Let's just plod along. Tighten up. Just be careful, you'll take the threads off without even trying it by doing too much. So that's not bad at all. Now, let me get the saucer out. Zoom you out because you don't want to be that close up. And we'll have the saucer section, this part going on. Where? Does that actually go? It has to go up here. Why is it not showing it's there? Okay, that's fine. Just got 2 BM screws holding it in. That's quite weird. Right, let me get the saucer out and get ready for it. Now, I was just test fitting this, honest. It wants you to put this cable underneath there. Through that gap, out, done. Then you put these 3 pins underneath there. But here's your little clue. You need to put your wiring configuration like this, because this goes across there. That the metal section here, that's in the way, so it needs to be pulled over there a little bit. So try not to keep it too much in the way, and we should be fine. But it's also one of these awkward square pieces for a round hole. It doesn't want to fit. There's a hell of a gap. So I think I'm going to have to loosen these parts on here to put that in. So give me a second, we'll get on with that. Right, okay, loosen these parts over here. So hopefully now that should go in a little bit easier. Like with everything with Eaglemoss, there's no guarantees. Is that going in better? Oh, no. Not really. Some of these pieces are so awkward to do. And what is holding this off? What is it doing? Why is it doing it like this? This is crazy. So, it's just not going at all. The first... what? It's just... It's almost like it doesn't want to work. Now, I'm going to get a hammer to this in a minute. Why is it not going in? So you should... That's well, way out of line. Why is it not going? Is the question... Is there anything under there that'll tell me why it's not going in? It's almost like them that the tabs aren't... They're too thick. I can't get that in. I could probably put screws in there and possibly knock it up, but I don't know. What screws we got? BM screws. BM, want 2, and pick up 2. Maybe this is one of those pieces that will... Oh, this is why you need 3 hands. There we go. Potentially, I can get that held in place. Doesn't feel bad. Maybe it just knocked itself in. I'm not tightening it out too much. No. Okay, a little bit jiggery pokery time. Nope. Right, I'm going to have to really loosen these off now. This ain't working. Now, with a lot of screaming, a lot of, yeah, it finally goes in. The three tabs need to go in, and then it really need to be pure lucky for it just to click in place. I don't think that the thickness is right. It's off by just an absolute fraction. But once it's in, 2 screws up here hold it in place, and then the 3 tabs are underneath. And it doesn't seem to look bad. The windows are in place, thankfully. So that's good. I mean, not the easiest. It's getting awkward because of the parts that it should come down as a thing, and it's not. It's so random. It's ridiculous. I've still got another piece for this saucer, and it's there. So yeah, is it that one? I think it's that side. This is that. No. Yep. Yep. No, it's kind of there, I think. No, it isn't. It's somewhere. We'll figure that out later. Is it there? Oh, hold on. Can that actually go in then? It is there, you know. That would be nice if I can get that in there. No, that doesn't fit there, does it? Or does it? It does. So it is plodding along nicely. It's just so many little bits that are kind of, yeah, plodding along. And talking of plodding along, let's get on to stage C. Well, we've got both of these now, and I think these just push in. So this must be the end of this now. So these will just push into the little holes there, covering up the screws, giving us that piece with dark windows, no option of any lighting, which is fine. Maybe it's a deck that nobody goes to. Oh, this is awkward. Trying to feel where the holes are, and it doesn't want to go in properly. And once they push in, they should be fine. But let's put this front one in first, shall we? Actually, should we leave that middle one? Try and get those in. It's almost like we've got a new manufacturer and things just don't work. You know, they changed the tooling, they changed the parts. Try the other one. Put the 2 in first. That one kind of pull a bit to push in, a bit to push in. Right, so that one goes in better. Massive line there, but it might just want a bit more pushing in to be there, but it's not. It could bring itself back out again. Let's try the other one with the same method. Front 2 in. Yeah, no, yes, okay. Right, so the front 2 goes in, a little bit of bend back, try and get that one into the hole there, which goes in there. That's on line there, and that one's in as well. There. I mean, yeah, no, just too much of a gap there. There's a lot of this which I think requires super glue. A lot of. No, that is as good as you're going to get from me. A little bit of a gap up there. Turn that on. Is that bleeding anything? No, that's fine. Still, that LED on front, which looks a bit silly. We have got some registry numbers. Well, sort of name at least. No registry number just yet. So there we go. A nice quick step 44 assembly. which is nice, instead of being really awkward. Well, it was really awkward, but yes. We are plodding on well with this up to 44. So, done, sorted. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on social media. If you want to help out the channel, get in touch. There's all the descriptions below in the channel description. I've got tons of different videos on the channel. Been doing this for a while now. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.